ready to ditch financial chaos and finally get a grip on your money. We're diving into the ultimate showdown, Rocket Money versus Ynab, to see which budgeting app reigns supreme. First up, Rocket Money. This app shines at spotting and canceling unwanted subscriptions. Simply link your accounts, and Rocket Money identifies recurring charges. Tap to cancel directly through the app, saving you time and potential money. Beyond cancellations, Rocket Money offers budgeting tools. You can track spending, set limits, and even automate savings goals. It's a great all-in-one solution for streamlining your finances. Now, let's explore why in Ynab you need a budget. Ynab operates on a different principle, giving every dollar a job. You manually allocate your income to specific categories, planning where your money goes before you spend it. Ynab provides real-time spending updates, so you always know exactly how much you have left in each category. This promotes mindful spending and helps you stay on track towards your financial goals. So, which is right for you? Rocket Money excels at automation and subscription management, making it ideal if you want a hands-off approach. Ynab offers more control and in-depth budgeting, perfect if you're serious about changing your spending habits. Now it's your turn. Vote in the poll to tell us which app you prefer. And don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and tricks.